Hello Groveland Township. Today's video is being made in early December 2015. We need to apologize for the extended lengthy delays between our last video that we produced and this one. And the reason is we've had an extensive amount of problems with the computers that run this video channel, and it's become apparent that they're just too old to continue to fix. So we're currently getting prices on a new upgrade equipment, which we will try and get in shortly to allow us to be able to make videos again on a regular basis. But in this video I wanted to take a brief opportunity to bring you up to date on a couple of things. First of all, there are continuing signs that the economy is getting better because the building permits in the township, while there may not be a huge number of homes, there have been a lot of building activity for additional buildings, additions and modifications and so forth. So the building's continuing to pick up quite a bit this year. Another thing that we've had a lot of people talk to us about recently is coming in and asking the question, what's the status of the proposed ORV park, an outdoor adventure park? As you know, we've been working on this for almost 2 years with the Oakland County Parks Department and the Michigan Department of Natural Resources. And the time frame on the process is really kind of out of our control. Our job was to facilitate getting the property owners together with the Michigan Department of Natural Resources to see if there was an interest in pursuing a park, and all of the property owners were interested in it. I'm pleased to tell you that now in late October and early November, the Department of Natural Resources finally completed their appraisals of the property and has delivered their letters for an option to purchase to the various parcel owners. What we don't know is what those offers were because we're not part of that negotiation, and we don't know if it's appealing to the owners. Right now, what we have to do is just kind of sit and wait and see if the process plays out and they can finally secure the parcels they want for the park project. As we find out more information and the negotiations pursue down the path, we'll be sure to let you know what's transpiring. But at least it's back on track now. The appraisals have been completed. Offers have been made. We need to find out if there's an opportunity to actually purchase the property and get the buyers and sellers together. The other thing I wanted to let you know is that this year we had 2 lawsuits filed against the township. One of them was over a property access dispute, and I'm happy to say the applicant dropped his charges, and so that one is gone. And the other one you probably recall was earlier this year we were made aware of the fact that there was a zoo operating in our township in a residential district, and those people filed a lawsuit against me and the township filed a lawsuit against them and the owners of the property. And during the discussions that ensued over the past months, we had made an offer to basically allow them to operate the way we understood they operated in Springfield. That was rejected. An offer was made by them to the township that we felt was completely unacceptable. And from that point on, the lawsuits were filed. What actually happened is they had proposed finally a solution which the township was completely willing to accept, but we wanted to get memorialized in front of a judge so that we knew it would actually take place. That never seemed to happen, so we pursued the judge in the federal court to give us a hearing date, and that hearing date was December the 1st at 10 a.m. On the day before December the 1st, in the afternoon, the township attorney called me and emailed me with information that their attorney had indicated they had dropped all of their suit. They agreed to get all of the animals for the zoo out of the property by the end of December the 1st. So that situation is also resolved. And we're also very happy when a problem gets resolved like this rather than going to the expense of a court case, even though the bulk of the court costs would have been picked up by the insurance carrier for the township. We wish them well with their new location and hope their business does well, and we're glad that the situation is resolved for our Groveland residents, that the animals which we feel were inappropriately located there are now all gone. To that end, I think we pretty much covered what's happening right now in the township. We will try and make these videos more regular for you as we've got the old equipment working and are in the process of getting a final bid for the new equipment. So in the event that we don't have another video between now and the end of the year, I want to tell you on behalf of the entire staff and everybody at the Groveland Fire Department and Township Office, we wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy and safe New Year. Please enjoy the holidays, and until the next video, Groveland, have a great day. Thank you very much.